Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix most of the crashes in Kingdom Come Deliverance II. First, this step will fix the problem for most of the people. It's just opening Steam, finding your Kingdom Come Deliverance II in your library, clicking Manage in this little icon here. Here press Properties and press Installed Files. Here verify the game's files are installed correctly and press Verify integrity of the game files. This will take some time depending on where you have the game installed. If you have it installed on the SSD, it will take a few minutes or maybe a few seconds if your SSD is really fast. And this will fix most of the problems with the game in terms of crashes. A second step that I would recommend seeing if it's up to date are the drivers. So I am using an AMD GPU, and so I have the AMD Adrenalin software. And right in the home tab you have the driver and software box, and here if you don't have the driver installed, the newest version, here will be a button to install it. The process is really quick and you don't have to do it manually. The software does everything for you. If you are an NVIDIA user, the process looks pretty similar. You just have to download the app and it will do everything for you. You don't have to worry about the settings in game because it will optimize them for you, and as well the drivers will be up to date. Same goes for the AMD. You have to just download the software and it will do it for you, and it can also optimize the settings and tweak some in driver settings to maximize performance. I would recommend doing it. Second thing about the crashes problem is checking if your PC matches the recommended or the minimal requirements, because that can affect the crashes. So you can use the will it run website to find out if your PC matches the requirements. You just have to download the program, and it will check your PC for you. And the last step, which some people may encounter, is just tweaking the settings in game. If you're struggling with FPS, constant FPS decreases, tweak the lighting setting and the textures to match your VRAM, because that can affect the crashes too. So that's it for this video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks for watching.